Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make audio spectrum in Capcut. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Capcut. Alright, so we're going to create a new project. So once we import our video to the timeline, you want to tap on this text option at the bottom and then you click on stickers. So after that, you want to scroll up here and you want to find this bell icon right here. You want to tap on it. Now we just have to find the audio spectrum sticker. So if you don't find the audio spectrum here at this bell icon, just scroll down to Alt. Alright, so as you can see, we have one right here. Okay, so we're gonna go with this. So you can set it up, you can enlarge it however you want, you can rotate it.
Yeah. Are you listening to me?
And you can duplicate it. So I'm gonna duplicate it and just put them side by side like this. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward to add audio spectrum in Capcut. So if you get something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.